Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm doing At Your Feet by Eureka Park Worship. That's me and Emily. That's our worship band. We kind of had that a while ago. And this is a song off one of our new singles. Check it out. It's in the songbook. And also, if you want to support the channel, just buy a songbook, leave a review on Amazon. That's the best thing you can do. And also you can become a ministry partner or a member, and check the links in the description. This is a very cool song. It's got a very cool intro riff. Check out the link. I'll put a link wherever you're seeing this video to our song so you can actually hear the version of it. And I'll work out the intro riff for you. I don't have it today. It's like... That's it right there. All right, so here's how we sing it without the intro riff. It'll go like this. I wandered away from the place of peace at your feet, Lord, at your feet. The only place where I feel complete at your feet, Lord, at your feet. And nowhere else I need to be. No one else I need to see. Keep me strong. I can be so weak. 1, 2, 3, 4. Been drawn away from the grace I need at your feet, Lord, at your feet. Troubles fade when I find my knees at your feet, Lord, at your feet. And nowhere else I need to be. No one else I need to see. Keep me strong. I can be so weak. 3, 4. And then there's a little riff that goes. I'll teach that in another video, but then it goes like this. Call me back to you. You're my breathing room. Keep me close to you. Heal what I have bruised. Call me back to you. You're my breathing room. Keep me close to you. Heal what I have bruised. Need to be with you. 2, 3. And nowhere else I need to be. And no one else I need to see. Keep me strong. I can be so weak. All right, so that's the song. How to play it, how to sing it. The bridge is really low. I'm gonna have Emily come in the studio and sing this with me because she sings the higher stuff I sing. I just sort of back her up, and it's really cool. It's on the record, or whatever you want to call it. It's on the iTunes. I don't know what you say. Check out the description there, though. Also pray for us, support the channel through becoming a partner, getting a songbook on Amazon, and leaving a review. God bless you. We'll see you on the next video.